Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing? Excuse my nose is a little bit stuffy today, the allergies, so please excuse my stuffy nose. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. It is a round, and it's called Gemini CB, which is by Chrissabug, and I've been wanting to get a Chrissabug painting, and this one's beautiful. Okay, so it comes always in a shiny box. On the side, it says scan me to unlock for 10% off. In the back, it tells you how it works and what's inside the kit in 3 languages, English, French, and Spanish. So let's turn this baby around and let's open it. Okay, so it comes with the kit, the toolkit, and the painting, and it comes with 2 stickers, a small one and a big one. All right, let's put this over here. Turn this baby around. Okay, so the small sticker, basically you peel it and you could put this in your logbook or on the top or bottom of the box. Okay, so let's look at the toolkit. Now the toolkit is always a surprise because we never know what we're going to get. So let's see. I don't think I have a yellow pen. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags, and just in case you're traveling and you don't have the containers with you, you could put the drills in the in the bags. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the diamond pen, and it comes with 1 placer. So basically you could only pick 1 drill at a time. Now with this one here, you have 2 other multi-placers. This one's a 4 and this one's a 7, yeah. So this one you could actually pick up 4 drills, and this one 7 drills at a time. And then of course, look how pretty the washi tape, guys. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Okay, ooh, this is, oh gosh, what do they call these? Macaroons? I think that's what they're called. So this is basically a cover minder, and a cover minder is basically a magnet. So all the paintings come with this plastic covering. You peel back the plastic covering, you put the cover minder on top, and then the magnet underneath the canvas, and it will click and it will hold the plastic back while you diamond paint. And this goes for the pen. This is actually for the pen, and this is called a comfort grip, and this is supposed to slide on, which always gives me a hard time, but it goes in there and it's supposed to help with your hands for comfort. Okay, and this is the wax, and it comes in a heart-shaped plastic container, and I believe there's 2 in here, and make sure you peel it back when you're going to get the wax. Okay, and of course the tray, and this is a stopper. So the stopper is basically when you have the drills here, you put this here and it prevents the drills from spilling. So it comes in handy, which I never use mine, to tell you the truth. Okay, so let's put that aside. All the paintings come in a plastic bag, so I guess it's just to protect it while it's traveling. They all say Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. Why not, right? So let's open this baby up. Get it out, put the plastic there. All right, here we have the drills and the other sticker. So here's the sticker, Gemini CB, which means Chrissabug. You put in the start date, the end date, and you could put this in your logbook, okay? And it has 58 colors, guys. All right, this is just thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and step-by-step instructions. All right, let's put that aside, so we don't need that right now. These are the drills. All the drills always have a sticker on them, and it basically tells you the name of the painting. So just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills go with that beautiful painting. I'm going to put that aside because we're not going to look at that right now. We're going to look at the painting or the canvas. The canvas, guys, is super, super, super soft like butter, and is designed this way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, and I like that it has the scallop, the scallop edges. I was going to say scallop pages. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to unroll it. Right, and then I'm going to roll it the other way so we can just flatten it out a little bit, and you can do this with this canvas for these paintings. All right, and then the top It just basically says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club, and then it's got a diamond. All right, so I'm going to open this baby up. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I love it. Okay, so in the bottom of the painting, so you have a little picture, and then it says DAC, Gemini, 20 inches by 30 inches, which is 50.7 centimeters by 76 centimeters. Chrissabug, which is the artist, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it says take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here, you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cash back rewards with every order. Okay. Now, all the paintings come with 2 legends. All right, so we're going to have to move this here because I see the glare. And that's going to go back there. Okay. Is that good? All right. So it has 2 legends. Here's one legend on the top, on the left-hand side. And then there's another legend on the right-hand side on the bottom. Okay. So we're going to look at this one here. Now, the legend does come in handy, guys, because the legend basically tells you, so the first row here, it tells you that it has 58 colors. 58 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then, of course, the color code is the DMC code. All right. And I believe this painting has 4 ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And ABs basically, oops, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're in the top. And ABs just basically means Aurora Borealis, which is it just means that it's a drill with a special coating to make it extra sparkly. Okay, now let's look at the painting. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is so clear. The rendering in this is like on point. Oh wow. All right, so on the top it says Gemini, and then you have the constellations, okay, which is pretty cool. And then you have 2 beautiful women, which are one. All right, and one has blonde hair, one has, she's a brunette. Okay, oh my gosh, love their outfits. Look at this, look at this, look at her hand. Very, very sharp. And she's wearing a necklace and she's holding on to it. This one's also, love all the gold jewelry. Her outfit, look at this, her robe, her bracelets, her gold bracelets. Then of course this is like a pin. But it's like the sign of Gemini. It's a zodiac sign. Then you see part of her leg here, and then the other leg. And they're holding, I think they're holding hands. Yeah. Basically, so a little bit of Chrissabug, the artist. She's so talented, guys. She's young too. Christina, she loves getting lost in fantasy, in the fantasy world, and she loves to work hard to create the feeling, so you can get that feeling that you escape through her art, which is pretty cool. I believe she has 16 paintings from Diamond Art Club. One is Goddess of Night, Tea Time Spell, which I believe is a new one. Leo, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn, Virgo, and Gemini. So far they have 6, and another one I think it's called Moon, and so there's others. So there's 16. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to bring it up, and I love, look at this. This is, look, one around it. It's like a frame, and those are ABs. Wow. And of course the word, because I see number 3, the word Gemini is also going to be ABs. See that? See it all around the painting. That's a 1. So let's look at see the stars and the constellations, the sky. Look how beautiful they are, and so sharp and clear. Wow. Look at her hand. I need for you to see this. Look at this. Her outfit. Look at all the gold. See her bracelets? It's gorgeous, guys. It's really, really pretty. All right, so we're going to put this over there, and we're going to bring out the colors so we can look at the colors. Okay, let's begin. 154, there's 2 bags of 154, and this is grape, very dark. And we're gonna need the light a little closer now. Okay, I think you can see it right there. 161, blue-gray. 208, lavender, very dark. 221, shell pink, very dark. 223, shell pink, light. 224, shell pink, very light. So all these are shell pink. And 225, shell pink, ultra, very light. Okay, 310, we have 3 bags of 310, and that's black. 315 is antique moth, medium dark. 333 is blue violet, very dark. 336 is navy blue. 352 is coral light. And 356 is terracotta medium. Very little of that one, huh? 433 is brown medium. 434, brown light. And 435, brown, very light. 712, cream. 738, tan, very light. 739, tan, ultra, very light. 754, peach, light. 758, terracotta, very light. 778, antique moth, very light. 779, cocoa dark. 814, garnet dark. 815, no, I'm sorry, 816, garnet. 823, navy blue dark. And 838, 2 bags of 838, it's beige brown, very dark. I think we have one more row here. 839 is beige brown, very dark. 841, beige brown light. 898, coffee brown, very dark. 939, 2 bags of 939, navy blue, very dark. 951, tawny light. 975, it's golden brown dark. 977 is golden brown light. Okay, so far these beautiful colors. I'm just gonna move these aside because we still have some more colors. Almost finished. 3041 is antique violet medium. 3371 is black brown. 2 bags of that. I think you can see it there. 3685 is mauve, very dark. 3712 is salmon medium. 3721 is shell pink dark. 3722 is shell pink medium. 3727 is antique mauve light. 3740 is antique mauve dark. 3771 is terracotta ultra, very light. 3778, terracotta light. 3782 is mocha brown light. 3802 is antique mauve, very dark. Okay, almost finished. Let me just turn this around. 38 27 is golden brown pale. 3830 terracotta. 3834 is grape dark. 3836 is grape light. 3855 is autumn gold light. 3857 is rosewood dark. 3858 is rosewood medium, and this is the last one. 3860 is cocoa. So absolutely gorgeous colors. All right, so we're going to move these aside. All right, so now we have the ABs. So we have 4 ABs. This is 105, which is a very pretty, like a brownish color. 127, it's like a pinky peachy color. 129 AB is yellow. And 141, very, very little, is white. All right, so now we're gonna bring back the painting and we're going to look to see where these beautiful ABs go. All right, let's see. So we're gonna need the legend. Any glare here? Yes, we're gonna have to move this back now. Okay, that's better. Yeah. So, all right, so 105, when you look at the legend, 105 is number 1. And like I mentioned before, number 1 is, it looks like it's a frame around the painting. It's all around. I'm just going to look to see if I see any other ones here. Nope. So it's around. So that's going to look spectacular, guys, because it's really going to pop out. Okay, and then 127 is going to be number 2. And number 2, let's see, where's number 2? Let's see. Aha, it's around her necklace. Ooh, that's going to look really pretty. It's her necklace. Any down here? Nope. Okay. Now let's look at number 3. And number 3 is, 129 is number 3. Number 3 is going to be on the letters Gemini. It's going to be on the constellations. Wow, guys, that is going to look beautiful. And it's over here on her jewelry, on her earrings, and some on her beautiful gown, some on her bracelet. Over here, more on her bracelet and on her gown. Wow, beautiful. Okay, and I believe the last one is number 4, and this is the dot. So where we see number 4? Where is number 4? Oh, okay, I see dots right here. It's actually on the constellations. I see there. Any on her hair? Nope. And her gown, actually, there's ABs. That's going to be number 2, which is 127, which is this one. So it's on her necklace and it's also on her gown. Okay. I think that's about it, guys. This is going to look so pretty. I am definitely going to frame this one and it's going to go up. Yep, it's going to go on the wall. I love it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love them as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. And thank you and bye-bye. Bye.